Wait, tell them what we're making today.
What?
You can gong zhongman, gong yiman, whatever you want.
梅菜
咁樣蒸
梅菜蒸豬肉
Is this what kind of dish is this? Hong Kong dish, Toisan dish?
台山 dish。
Toisan dish?
又咪去食嗰陣時，去餐館食冇咁多梅菜，we like嘅辣嘅梅菜。
So this is the home style.
Home style.
Home style moi choi.
Yeah, but some family restaurant 咧，佢亦有梅菜蒸豬肉，but they don't give that much 梅菜。But we eat 辣梅菜。
This is Guangdong style.
台山。
Toisan style.
Yeah, the village, the people got poor.
Because
and
they don't have so much meat.
Right, and then they make a big plate for the whole family. Most of the time we eat 飯，3 times a day, 飯and菜, that's it. Not that much meat. So
Okay.
I like this brand. Some brand they come in a bag. Each time I just use one. It's enough for each time. I use the plastic packing up so it doesn't dry out. I remember using the red
String?
yeah, string. So I remember this brand. So using one is enough, okay? And pack it back. It doesn't dry out. It's for one meal. Then put back in the refrigerator. Will last you a month or two. I mean, 3 months, you know.
Yeah.
Soak it in the water. Tell them cooking Chinese food is better off with the gas
Yeah.
because
You got flavor.
better. See, you open up like this. Over here is a little tough. You don't want it. You don't not tough there, is it?
Looks like a bone.
Yeah, over here is a tough nang there, you see. Oh, that's why you cannot choose it. See, it's better off when you steam thing is better off. It doesn't have to fancy plate. This is a Pyrex
Paras plate.
cake plate using 10-inch or 8-inch. It depends on how much thing you cook, you know. My this one is maybe 10-inch, you know. Over here is also a little tough too. See, I don't want it.
So the end is tough.
Cut it out. A lot of work.
You're a hard worker.
There's a lot of sand in the bottom. Warm water. Sometimes when you're lucky, not that much sand. Depends how the vegetable are dirty or not, you know. Still have sand. A lot of sand. This one's not the sand. I put warm water and then some people
salty
like
too, right? So you need to wash it because of the sand and the salt.
Right. So let them soak about 20 minutes. Meanwhile, you want me to show them how to cut a pork too?
Yeah. But you have to wait, right? Dangechan, because it's too cold. Pork shoulder.
Pork shoulder. Or you could using pork belly too, but I don't like it. That's too fat. So I put using a pork shoulder. It's not that fat, you know. So you're using about tablespoon. You want to measure it?
No, I'm sorry.
About, you know, dark soy sauce. About a tablespoon. And about a tablespoon light soy sauce.
White pepper.
White pepper. And a little sugar.
That's it.
That's it. Marinate about an hour or two, it doesn't matter. About two 2 tablespoons.
Always put the oil last.
Last.
That's the papa trick.
Or about 2 tablespoons or 3, you know, because they have mùi choy and mùi choy take some oil. That's it. Let it sit and then let the mùi choy for another 10 minutes and cut it and low so much.
Low one.
Yeah. So. Okay, another 5 minutes.
Okay, 당했죠.
Yeah, 等一陣啦，that's it. Oh, not that. 我仲有 sandy but not that bad 咁。扭乾佢，sometimes if you not dry enough 喺個煲嗰度炒一炒佢。
Oh yeah?
Yeah，炒一炒佢，然之後就扭開佢，好似扭 towel 咁樣。
Yeah.
Right？不過唔好影呢度啦。Clove 我就切喺嗰度。
You cheat?
我呢邊我。
Oh. 是但啦。
呢度唔好影啦。
冇問題。好多冇錯 You could save that one now, right?
Yeah.
Smart.
你嗱我切好晒啲梅菜啦。
Oh wow, so nice.
嗱我就梅菜切好嚟啲先啦。And now 梅菜整好晒啦，要煲勻佢咯。
Good job.
You don't put too salty on there. You could not take it out, you know.
Yeah.
食嗰陣時候啦，如果要熱，要揾more sauce，然後要 put more 豉油落去。
Do you have to let it sit before you cook it?
It better off let it sit for an hour or two，冇時間而家咁樣蒸就得。I want to steam 40 minutes。That's it，撈落去呢就得㗎。Better off by your hand, mix well.
This is your recipe, right?
Everybody same thing 㗎啦，唔係另外個 recipe. The people like it this way. We like it this way. We do this way. That's all. Some family restaurant they serve, but not that much mùi choy. They give a little bit, you know. Now steam about. I like it 40 minutes. Okay, couple let the water boil. That's it.
Wait until boil medium and then 40 minutes.
Yeah, half hour and then you'll see the water.
Check before half hour, right?
Yeah, medium flame.
Easy dish.
Well, I like it cook steam for 40 minutes because I want the mùi choy get tender. But some people half hour 食得啦。
And when you cut it smaller, it cooks better. It's less choy day. You use maybe half pound more choy.
Yeah，佢一包2嚿啫，你俾一嚿得啦。All depends.
Doesn't really matter. You could use,
Yeah, doesn't matter, but 2 is too much.
but it's a little hom anyway, right? Like it's
Yeah, you
soaked
could
in
eat it
salt.
like this. Look,
Yeah.
you could taste it.
It's salty.
Not that salty.
You could eat it raw.
Yeah, sure. You might 甜梅菜. So this is really chewy now.
Yeah, too much yolk.
Yeah.
I like this better.
Yeah, right. They say too much yolk. We like this better.
Yeah, 因為在嗰陣時你
冇錢買肉啦嘛。
你平時整呢啲，所以我習慣食呢啲。
Boiling, okay? Now, lower the flame with the medium. Okay, now like about 20 minutes, you need to come over and add some more water. Don't see? Very good, very tasty.
Okay.
How much it cost? $100?
Yeah. So now it's gonna follow you. If you get up and walk, it's gonna follow, I think. So I try it. See? Go over here.
That's cool. 買埋啲 toy.
I'm movie star.
The toys.
This is not toy, this make me money. 如果你學生你唔做啲嘢，你冇機會。
Okay,
Yeah. 冇菜。
呢個得㗎啦。呢個窿俾我黐住嘅啫。Look, stuck in here.
Who cares? It lets you not move the plates too much because you move everything like that.